Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we use TextJoin formula to merge text or numeric, and after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to use this formula efficiently. Let's get into the video. So in this scenario, I have multiple columns, column 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, I would like to merge the text from all these cells into one cell and also want to separate them with the help of space. So I will use text join formula, start with equal to text. You can see number 4, text join, press tab. And first is delimiter. Delimiter is how do you want to separate your text from each other? Do you want to separate your text from each other by space or by comma or by any other symbol? So I would like to have space in between text. So I will type in quotation and then space in quotation again, then comma. The next one is ignore empty cells or include empty cells. I would like to ignore empty cells. Click this one, press tab and comma. And the next one is your cell reference, all the cell reference which you want to merge. So this cell reference, then comma, this cell reference, again comma, this cell reference, comma, and this cell reference. Close of bracket. My formula is complete here. I will press enter. Now you can see it has merged all the text from these cells into one cell and also separate from each other by space. So if I want to copy this formula for rest of the cell, I will just drag from the bottom and it will apply this formula for rest of these scenarios as well. Let's discuss the second scenario. For example, if I want to have a comma in between the text, so what I will do, I will just press F2. It will show me the formula. To edit any formula, we'll press F2. So instead of having space in between quotation, I will backspace and type comma. So now it will separate the text by comma. If I press enter, you can see the first one, it has been separated by comma. If I want to apply for rest of the cells, I'll just drag from the bottom and apply for the rest of the scenarios as well. Let's discuss another scenario. So if I press F2, so instead of true, true means it ignore the empty cells. If I don't want to ignore empty cells, if I click this one, press tab and press enter. So the result will be same for first two lines because there's no empty cell, but it will change for the third line. If I just drag from the bottom, and now you can see the result because there's a first cell reference and then there's an empty cell. And you can see now A15 and then one comma which I defined, and then it put another comma because it considered the empty cells, and then he considered the D20. So this is how it changes the result if we change the delimiter. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.